And race on, Gold Cougar, Doña Nenita, rushing up Diamond Dane, Da Vinci, Jen's Joy racing second last, and Royal Viva is the early trailer by about 7 to 8 lengths of the leader. The outstanding favorite, Doña Nenita, by a length and a half, followed by Diamond Dane in second. Da Vinci racing in third by Daryl 2 lengths. Corner back in fourth is Gold Cougar, Jen's Joy, another 2 lengths in fifth, and Royal Viva. And rounding the far turn, Doña Nenita by about 2 lengths, followed by Diamond Dane in second. Da Vinci is racing third, and moving up is Gold Cougar, Jen's Joy, and Royal Viva as they race the final corner. Doña Nenita by about 5 lengths, followed by Diamond Dane. Da Vinci down on the inside, rushing up Gold Cougar, Royal Viva, and Jen's Joy. And ring the last 100. It's all entry number 2, the outstanding favorite, Doña Nenita. Gold Cougar, Diamond Dane, Da Vinci, Royal Viva, and Jen's Joy comes last.